Hello everyone, welcome to video on C++ program to display contents of a file. The problem definition is like this. We are going to write a C++ program to accept file name from user and display its contents. Of course, the file will be the text file. The program will be like this. You have to include the header files iostream.h, fstream.h and string.h. Then do the array declarations, fname for storing file name and line for reading a line from a file. Let us accept the file name using cout and cin, that enter file name and cin fname, accept file name. First of all, create file stream object that is of a ifstream class. So fin is the file stream object of ifstream class because we are going to perform a read operation on a file. Using fin stream object, open the file using open function fin.open fname iosin. So here the fname, that is a given file, will be opened in input mode. So this is the initial requirement to open the file in input mode. Then let us check whether the file exists or not. So for that, the if condition is like this: if not fin, that is if the fin value is false, then you will display the error message file does not exist and exit from the program using exit function. If the file exit means the fin stream class, fin stream object returns true value, then you have to go for a read operation and display the contents on the screen. So let us display the contents of the file by reading data from a file up to end of file. So for that, you have to set the loop, while loop up to end of file, that is while fin.eof. eof is a member function of the stream class and it is called using fin stream object, and the eof returns 0 value if there is more data in the file, and it returns 1 value if the end of file is detected. So here let us go for reading. So like this, you have to set the loop up to the end of file. Currently the condition is true, means it returns 0 value, so data is available in a file. End of file is not yet detected. Let us read a line using getLine function. Call getLine member function using fin object, and the line will be accepted or read from a file into line array as per the size, and the same line will be displayed on the screen using cout. As the line is read from the file without new line character, you have to explicitly insert the new line character while displaying it on the screen, and like this the loop will be continued up to the end of file, and at the end of file the eof character will be detected and the eof function will return the true value, and that is 1 value, and the condition will become false and loop will be terminated. And in this way you have to close the file and stop the program. So let us run this program using dev C++ compile. So this is a C++ program typed. The same program is typed here in dev C++ compiler. The file iostream and fstream are included using no space std. Then in the main function declaration, that is line for line accepting, then enter line, the line is accepted, the stream object is created, then the file is open in input mode, the file is checked whether it is exist or not. If it not exist, the error message file does not exist is displayed. Then the heading for the output, that is the contents of file. Then set the file loop up to the end of file, and then read one line at a time and display it on the screen. And like this while loop will read line by line text from the given file and will display on the screen, and then close the file, close the program. Let us run the program and observe the output. So here I am running the program. Enter file name. So I will enter suppose abc.txt. So yes, the file is existing, that's why it is displaying the contents of abc.txt file like this. Let us run for another time to check whether the file is exist or not. Suppose this time I enter the file name as xyz.txt, and now this file is not existing, so it will display the error message xyz.txt file does not exist. So like this, our both conditions are satisfied, that is file exists and file does not exist. So hope you understood the C++ program which displays the contents of a given text file. Thank you for watching my video on C++ program to display the contents of file.